MI-397 Articulating TV Wall Mount with Extra Long Extension Installation. For wood stud installation, use a stud finder to locate the wall studs and mark their location with a pencil. Hold the wall template at the desired installation location and mark the locations for the 4 lag screws on the center of the studs. Use a 1/4-inch drill bit and drill on the marked locations. Hold the mount over the holes and secure using the 4 provided lag screws and washers. For concrete or brick installation, hold the wall template to the wall at the desired installation location. Mark the locations for the 5 lag screws, making sure not to put a mark on the mortar. Then, remove the template. Use a 2/5-inch drill bit and drill on the marked locations to a depth of 3.7 inches. Clear any dust and debris from the holes and insert the 5 provided concrete anchors. Hold the mount over the holes and secure to the wall using all 5 provided lag screws and lag washers. Using the appropriate size mounting bolts, spacers, and washers, attach the 2 VESA arms to the back of your TV. Hang the TV on the mount arms as shown. Attach the safety clips to the bottom of the VESA arms and secure them in place using the safety bolts. To adjust the tilt angle of the TV, loosen the tilt adjustment nuts shown here. Then, adjust the tilt to the desired angle, then tighten the nuts back down. To adjust the level of the TV, loosen the 2 nuts located behind the rectangular VESA plate. Level the TV, then tighten the 2 nuts again to secure the TV into position.